Now see here, till now what we have discussed, the learning journey of SAP Active Methodology. Okay, for project manager, what are the certifications are they and those topics. See, I want to know, so when I'm going to this particular learning journey, again here, uh, I'm still confusion regarding what are the tools you can use. And as you mentioned that S4H00, you have a lot of courses are there. Even now, I want to becoming the expert again, especially for the project manager and basis point of view. So they have separate courses will be there. Okay. So what are the courses? Even I can simply say that learning journey of SAP Active Methodology for during the implementation. Okay. What are the implement what are the tools? As you know, the what are the tools you can use? So previously I told that Cloud ALM, BTP, Arise with SAP, SAP Signavio, SAP Linux, SAP WalkMe. So those tools point of view, along with again, what are the best practices? Again here, I want to know how to do the project creation. Sorry, how to do the project creation and how I can becoming a project success in nothing but so they have after completion of this even parallelly. So simply I can say here the learning journey of active methodology for the implementation tool along with the methodology. Again, especially for who are already having a solution manager that is on-premise knowledge, a solution 7.2 or 7.1, the access, even they have idea about this. So they have this process. Again, starting was again from not for fresher point of view. So experienced people again they have some technical, not for PMP and because of, as I mentioned this, whenever if they want to come to this particular implementation tool, they have compulsory SAP experience is required. Without SAP experience and without SAP Solution Manager tool, they cannot go proceed with other quarter. So after completion of this course, my first recommendation you have to go for the what are the course to becoming a my priority succeed is nothing but so the first of course it is going to for S4H90. Okay, see what is this course is doing and what are the things will be going to what are the content will be going to happening from this particular topic is nothing but so basically this course is for the guided procedure for S4 HANA project to the succeed. Like what are the plans, okay, and what are the guidelines will be there, and what are the particular solution about the particular topic. So this is all. Even it is not even if you have SAP Learning access, it's one of the open source. You can enroll it and you can just see the what are the documents. Okay. Again, after this, as I mentioned it, so again, if you come to Active 100, after this Active 200, maybe to the certification. So before 2025, okay, and before, as you know that right now SAP certification, they have a lot of changes that are happening. Olden days SAP certification is very easy because of you have to read the books and you can read the just like some kind of exam and some kind of papers. You can easily pass the exam. But currently, what happened? They're giving a even especially for BTP, Rise with SAP, cloud implementation, they're changing a lot of pattern. Like they want to implementing a scenario based along with artificial intelligence, and mostly for real time practical scenario based questions are there. So that's why. So who are planning for certification, please complete before 2025 December. Okay. After that, even still some of the not all topics. So still some of the topics are already changing into. Okay, fine. Now coming to the so after completion of this, as I mentioned that especially for administration point of even everyone know that who are having a solution managers again solution manager 7.2 they will be know this course. This is the course for the solution manager that is a E2E end-to-end project implementation by using the solution manager 7.2. Okay, so by using in olden days, what happened? How to creating the project is nothing but they're just going to SM underscore not SM. Olden days, Solar 1, Solar 2, some transactions are there. But when it come to Solution Manager 7.2, what happened? They have the SM underscore work center. By using SM underscore work center, you can creating the under they have the project management is there. They can again either I can go to the Solution Manager 7.2 or you can go to Focus Build and Focus Run is there. You can allow Solution Manager. I'll discuss those topic later for the differences between the Solution Manager 7.2, what kind of situation, along with the Focus Run. Okay. Along with right now the trending was, and even most of the consultant is following from Cloud ALM. So these three topic I'll discussing later. Okay, now I'm discussing about the E2E. Means this course is basically for when I'm working on an implementation project. Okay, especially for the solution manager. Okay, how to creating a project. Okay, implementation project with SAP Solution Manager 7.2. So in this particular one, so how I can creating the project, who are involving, and what are the documentation, what is the scope of the project, and what is the status of the project plan. So these all will be comes under from the E2E. I'll show some demo kind of thing also, like to create a project in later. So first of all, I'm discussing about the learning journey. Once project is completed, so I want to do for the planning for testing. You have different in SAP. You have different kind of testing is there, like unit testing, regression testing, functional testing, UAT testing, and final. So, but in Solution Manager, what I'll do again, I want to do end to during a project point of view. Okay, maybe I'm using the old methodology, so I want to do completely test man. So E2E200 is completely for the E2EE, so 200 for test management overview. How many kind of tests are there in SAP, and what are the testing will be there? So this all will be considered for the this particular. Okay, so these all just learning journey of whenever working for the SAP active methodology. Okay, again active methodology for I want to do for especially from administration point of view. Okay, what are the tools and how they will prepare is nothing but these three courses are recommended. If you have to go to these all books, you're getting a entire 100% knowledge about the entire how to create the product by using Cloud ALM or Solution Manager 7.2 or Focus Build. You are getting at least basic idea and the differences you can understand. See, it is only for the technical point of view. Have functional guys also there, no? So the functional managers also there, like a success factor point of view, or if you want to go into any other courses, so you have a very separate courses is nothing but yes. Okay. So first of all, this is for the SAP Active Methodology for Implementation Tools Learning Journey. Okay. Moving into the functional department.